Your dashboard is green. The refresh was successful. But are the numbers actually accurate? Testing a semantic model is often challenging, especially since we usually have to write DAX queries ourselves. With 2 tests for Fabric, we simply click this button, pick our semantic model, and select either specific tables or leave it blank to include all tables. We can guide the AI with a prompt or let it work automatically. Next, we click Generate Tests. This works even if we have hundreds of tables in our semantic model. The tool analyzes the schema, checks a small sample of data, and writes the tests in pure DAX code. The tests cover not just individual tables, but also the relationships between them. For example, from just 4 small tables, we get 70 tests that check business logic, completeness, uniqueness, statistical anomalies, and data type consistency. We can save these tests, and if we want, we can also add our own manual tests for anything specific. With just a few clicks, we get full coverage of our semantic model. 2 Test for Fabric lets us quickly and easily cover our semantic models. It's available now in the Azure Marketplace.